One rabbit all wrapped up and ready for the pot.
Who? Hey, where's my sack? Give me back my sack! I'll get you.
Ooh, my dear fellow, you can have your sack just as soon as I've got my rabbit.
Oh, you mean that squeaky toy? No, it's mine.
Toy? No, no, no. I'm talking about the delicious real rabbit that's in here. If you'll just let me show you. I don't want your squeaky toy.
Hey!
See? Easy, old chap. Let's not get angry.
Thanks. Come on.
Maybe Mr. Tod threw Cottontail's toy over there.
We already looked over there.
We've looked everywhere.
Poor Cottontail. I can't believe I lost her favourite toy. Hey! Follow that squeak. That squeak was coming from over here somewhere.
I don't know, Peter. I mean, these woods are really, really big. And Cottontail's toy is really, really small. I'm not sure if we'll ever find it. Whoa! Where is it? Where is it? It's right there.
Well, now, my cat would love a new toy.
We'll just have to tell Cottontail we took her toy and lost it.
No way! A good rabbit never gives up, and a good rabbit doesn't let his sister down. Come on, faster! We can do it!
But Mr. McGregor's legs are so long, and ours are so short.
One of Dad's secret tunnels. It'll get us ahead of Mr. McGregor. Come on! And here he comes. Time for you to do what you do best, Benjamin.
I'm not so sure now's the time to eat, Peter.
Not eat. Dig. We need to trip up that wheelbarrow so we can grab the toy.
Yes!
Chico Bonbon, monkey with a tool belt.
And we're the
Fix-It Force!
Rainbow Thunder! Pow, pow, meow! Lark!
Peanuts!
Tiny!
Oh, the banana phone.
Can you help me, Chico Bonbon?
You got a problem? We can solve them. Fix-It Force, time to bring the awesome. Let's get to work.
I'm gonna need a spatula that's made of something flexible.
We'll make a bridge out of nothing.
It's better than magic. It's science.
Oh, boy! I'm learning things. And eating peanuts?
Chico Bonbon, Chico Bonbon.
You can do this.
Wow!
Love it. Monkey with a tool belt.